Welcome to Double D Do Business. Get ready for our quick dLog packed with insights and inspiration. Think, reflect, and join the conversation. Double D, your thought and positive agitation guides. Let's go. Talking about living intentionally. Intentionality is our thing. It's something that Dave and I chose to embrace pretty much from when we moved to Mallorca. So we made a decision, a very conscious decision 4 years ago to transform and radicalize our life for many personal reasons, toxic relationships, things that weren't just working for us. So we decided to do something that we'd not done before because we had our children very young, and we'd do some traveling. And that allowed us to start to change our mind. And there's lots of other elements around that. But what it did do was make very conscious, intentional decisions from materialistic elements, what we were connected to and what we were really connected to, so furniture and items that we'd purchased over the years. But also then the move to Mallorca meant that we worked differently, we behaved differently, and it completely changed the way that we operated. Doesn't mean everybody's got to move to a different country, but I do think what it's taught us and has allowed us to coach our clients is intentionality is the way that we choose to live. So therefore, it's about consideration. It's about slowing down and pausing before we speak. It's about reflection. And a huge part of intentionality is being really self-aware. So whether you're a business leader running your own business, why are you doing what you're doing? Why do you respond the way you do? And also being able to self-critique and review without doing all the bad, negative override stuff. So intentionality is really powerful. And for us, it's allowed us to reflect on each year that we're achieving. We have our conversations daily. We've created an intentional routine for us that works for both of us. And that took us some time to get to that place as well. So intentionality isn't something that's suddenly created. It's something you work toward and you create. But for us, what it's done, it's allowed us to take our business and ourselves to the next place. So leaning and being forward and really doing what we want to do. And we talk about it. We talk about it a lot to our children, our family, our clients, and we apply it to our business. It's part of our business model, our framework, but it also allows us to just deal with things. And also, if you are a watcher, just as a bit of a fun element, but if you're a watcher of Succession on Netflix, brilliant program. But what it also does is make you ask some critical and key questions. One of the characters in there talks about, how does this serve me? How does this serve my business? How does this serve my family or my friends? Really think about applying intentionality. Consider how you react and respond, and then reflect and review on it. Anyway, we enjoy living with full intention and continue to develop and grow that skill. I think it's something you've got to continuously hone and reflect on. And we hope and look forward to hearing your stories about how you choose to live intentionally through. Thank you for tuning into Double D and our dLog. Remember to think, reflect, and share your thoughts with us too. Thanks for joining us on our quick dLog journey. Until next time.